What is the one Vidya Balan film you hate?
Actually, I've not watched Hey Baby more than once.
Hey Bye Baby Bye.
Yeah. But I do think that I didn't have the guts to watch it. So I don't know how I've done in that. I have no perspective.
Got it.
I watched it before release. I didn't watch it. I haven't watched it since.
After that, the reception, at least for you,
Was terrible.
Yeah,
So
I
which
mean-
is why I haven't been able to watch it.
do
So
you think it was justified at all? What they
no, I
did?
think it was a witch hunt. Honestly, it was because
Okay.
when I look, I've seen some stuff.
Were you growing at a much faster speed than they could accept it?
I don't know, but I've
Like,
been.
come on, let me probe here
No, but-
and let's give an honest answer. Have you felt that the industry has been unfair to you sometimes because you were simply too good?
I don't know if I was simply too good, but I wasn't. You know, there is. I do think that a few people were threatened. I don't know whether that's because I was too good or they just felt they weren't good enough.
But they did feel threatened.
Yeah, they did feel threatened. So I think there was, I was later given to believe that, you know, because word goes around, right? So you get to know कि बातें कैसी फैली और क्या हुआ and all that, because you're now, I'm an old hand here now.
Of course.
Yeah, so I know how it happened, but it doesn't bother me. I'm so grateful for all that, Sandesh, and I'm not just saying this for a quotable quote. I'm so grateful because if not for that phase, I wouldn't have come into my own.
That's wonderful.
I wouldn't have said ki, I'm sorry, but I wouldn't have said fuck you, but I'm here to stay. And no one can take that away from me.
And it is through phases like that that one gets to a I don't give a fuck phase.
Yeah, absolutely. And because I think you reconnect with your passion, your purpose, your dream. You're just like, it's okay यार, किसी के बाप की इंडस्ट्री नहीं है, किसी के भी बाप की इंडस्ट्री नहीं है. उस बाप की इंडस्ट्री जरूर है, बाप की माँ की. So everyone has a right to be here. And I do think that, you know, I don't want to get into this nepotism conversation at all.
Why though?
Because I just think it's been, I feel that whether or not there's nepotism, I've come this far.
Brilliant.
It has not altered my life in any way.
And even if it has in ways that you don't even comprehend,
Yeah.
how does that matter to your
Yeah,
journey?
exactly.
It doesn't matter.
And I'm saying I can, you know, if you look at my life, Sandesh, all the things that didn't happen were actually blessings. So when there were times when I felt like, oh God, you know, maybe this should have happened to me. Maybe it would have been easier for me. Maybe if I had more support, maybe if I had more guidance. But no, I think because I found my own way, you know, I created my own path. That path is mine.
एक एग्जाम्पल अगर फर्स्टली थैंक यू फॉर सो ऑनेस्टली टेलिंग द प्रोसेस ऑफ गोइंग थ्रू दिस जर्नी पर अगर एक वाक्य एक एग्जाम्पल दे सको ऑफ what maybes were going on in your head when Hey Bye Baby Bye or other stuff was happening.
No, I'll tell you what happened at a very celebrated award function.
It was called the Nariyal Awards.
Yes.
Yeah.
Exactly. I was given a Nariyal Award for my costumes in Hey Baby.
Yeah.
And when I went up on stage and shared the award with the costume designer, and no, when they told me that they're going to give me the Nariyal Award, and I said, why me? You know, my clothes are not just my choice, right? And at that point, more than ever, I think I was too new to have an opinion on anything.
And it was also a God giving you the award.
Yeah.
And so
No, and honestly, when they said, so, you know, we're just doing this fun segment and we're going to give you this award. And I said, fine, but I'll go and share it with
the
costume designer and the director. And I was actually told, no, you mustn't do that. And that, I think, is not nice.
Who told this to Vidya Balan?
Yeah.
Who did this? Okay, let's forget
We
it.
won't get into that.
Okay, but अच्छा एक चीज क्या आपको उसी रात को बताया गया या उससे थोड़ा पहले बताया गया था कि ये होने वाला अवार्ड शो में?
No. So before that, they said it's a fun segment. It's some Nariyal Award. See, I'm a sport. You think my clothes were not good, you give me the Nariyal award, I was fine. When I reached the award function, I realized what it was.
Yeah.
How another actor whose name had also been mentioned to me, saying she's also receiving it, her name had been cancelled out at the last minute because she said, you know, I'm not going to accept it. So I said, then I don't want to end up looking like a fool,
Man.
you know? And I said, okay, then I'm not accepting it. Or then you give it to all three of us, the director, costume designer, and me. And they said, no, no. I said, okay, I'll go and mention it. And they said, no. I still mentioned it. And it got me into trouble. Later, there were reactions from, you know, within the fraternity or whatever, their supporters, their friends. But I was, at that night, I have to tell you that I was shattered. I was shattered because I just felt very alone.
Man.
I'd realized that, yeah, it makes a difference when you don't come from a film family because no one outside you is looking out for you.
It felt like bullying to you?
It did.
It was.
It was. Undoubtedly, it was. And I think it was not nice because you can't protect certain people. And just because I don't come with that shield, you can't. I thought it was a joke, so it was okay, you know. But then when I realized that I was the only one who was being made fun of, I thought that was no longer funny.
Man, thank you for that honesty. क्या पूछूं सवाल? आप सही कर रहे हो, अच्छा कर रहे हो, good. All I want now is for you to break your. आपकी ना body language बहुत ही poised है. It is so graceful and it is so poised. You seem like a polished person who knows how to face public and how to face the camera.
क्या बात है?
And
मैंने polish लगाया.
बुरे humor के अलावा आप बहुत polished हैं. That was very bad.
बिल्कुल. I would have sat with my feet on top.
रखो.
पर
मेरे
heels
को क्या
पहना
है?
दिए मुझे.
उतार दो उसमें क्या है? I can help you with it.
Shall I? पर ये
Yeah. देख लो मतलब I can also like this.
I'm most comfortable.
ये
like
तो
that.
और graceful हो गया.
तो गुंडी की तरह बैठना है.
जैसे बैठना बैठो यार. फेवरेट गाली? फेवरेट गाली? देखो आ गए अपनी पोजीशन पे. सवाल सुनते ही आपको कुछ हो जाता है.
नहीं because it's वो जूते उतारना, जूते के साथ में इस पे.
हाँ, नहीं उतारना तो.
नहीं ठीक है.
Got it.
ठीक है.
I'll get my thumbnail if I remove your sandal. Favorite गाली?
Favorite gali is fuck you.
I felt it.
Yeah.
I felt insulted. I felt insulted.
Yeah, I'm like.
और हिंदी में?
हिंदी में बीसी बोलती थी मैं, पर अपने दिमाग में फिर मैंने कहा कि मैं लड़कियों को ही गाली क्यों दे रही हूँ.
ये भी ठीक है.
हाँ. I stopped saying it when I realized कि यार ये तो चुतियापा है. अपने ही कौम को गाली दो.
ठीक बात है. फेवरेट मलयालम गाली?
Oh, we don't.
फेवरेट तमिल गाली? हम लोग गाली नहीं देते, आप लोग इतने लिटरेट हो गए.
नहीं लिटरेट की बात नहीं है. we say foolish, अच्छे पिच्छे.
अच्छे पीछे.
But it's not a gali, huh?
अच्छे
It's just
पिच्छे.
a अच्छे पिच्छे अपना पेशा दे. Huh? Don't talk like a fool.
अच्छे पीछे ने पेशा दे.
प्राण दायर किया. Are you mad? So, but no galis because I think my father and mother both don't give galis. तो हमने कुछ सीखा नहीं. मलयालम तमिल में
माँ
तो
बाप से नहीं सीखते लोग गाली. आपको मैं बता दूं.
नहीं, पर तमिल मलयालम में तो गालियाँ सीखी
आपके घर में
नहीं है.
मलयालम बोलते थे या तमिल?
Tamil, but Tamil has a lot of, our Tamil has a lot of Malayalam influence.
Okay. Got it.
So even we celebrate a lot of the Malayali festivals also.
अच्छा. आपका favorite festival?
Tradition है. Favorite festival is Navratri.
Okay.
Uh,
Why?
I just love that goddess energy at that time. मैं रोज पूजा करती हूँ and one day I call all the women in the family home. हल्दी कुमकुम होती है. So I love it. Because it's a tradition started by my mother. My mother does that. Now my sister also does it. And in the past few years, I've also been doing it. We all chant together. And then khana pina hota hai.
It's only women?
Only women. And you, according to the color of the day, everyone wears the same color. Yeah, so it's lovely. Of course, my father, my husband, my brother-in-law are there, and my nephew. But besides them, there are no men really.